Sir, I need confirmation. Can you hear me? Can you see my screen? Okay. So I have got Shankar, Sachin, and Rahul. Okay. So let me start my session. And also, someone, Sheikh Mahboob, has joined. One second. Hi, Sheikh. Okay. Good morning, everybody. My name is Srinivas Chintadi. I'm a digital marketing trainer and also a digital marketing consultant for companies. I design digital marketing strategies and plans for small and medium businesses. Okay. So, but now we will be focusing on what digital marketing is and all the training aspects, the concepts, the future. What is the future for digital marketing? What are the career opportunities? And how digital marketing during this COVID situation has got into a boom. Like every sector gets into a boom, now it is a time for digital marketing, because we know that there is no traditional marketing going to be there, in the sense no field sales, going and meeting people and giving presentations is not there. Everything will happen on Zoom or go to meeting or any online platform. Like seminars have become webinars. So everybody will be sitting in front of their laptop or desktops, and they will be searching for information, buying things, learning stuff, and all that. So digital marketing is going to become a very important thing in the future, starting from now. So it is a good idea to understand what digital marketing is and learn the opportunities that are available. Before I take you into the subject and what you are going to learn in the training, I will give you a small introduction about the opportunities. See, we in our life, we want to form a career, and out of this career, we want to earn some money monthly to run our livelihood, right? So for that, we there are so many skills that are present in the market. But now digital marketing is such a field that you can make money not only through jobs. There are other aspects also available. So if you don't like working under a boss, and then you want to be your own boss and sit on your system and use your creativity to actually generate some income for yourself, this is a good platform. So let me quickly get into the opportunities that are available. So if you are a graduate, and if you are a fresher and looking for a job in a good company, then these are all the entry level and mid level and high level positions that are available in the market. So I have gone through most of the platforms, job platforms, and I have come to a conclusion that these are the key roles they are looking for. So if you start the career ladder, the first thing is digital marketing intern. So you can join a company as a intern. So some companies might give you a stipend, or others might ask you to work for free. But uh, the advantage here is that you can learn on a live platform, and you can learn on working with the client, live client, and learn all the techniques. Okay. So this point, entry point, is very important. After that, there is a digital marketing executive position, uh, which will uh, which will offer you a good salary, and not in the sense it's an entry level, right? It is a second level, so you can expect something around 25 to 40,000. Here, Hyderabad, Telangana, they are offering 25,000 to 40,000. So temporarily remote, in the sense work from home. So what that they're looking for, job main roles and responsibilities. Here the key point is to, first of all, when you do research on jobs, when you prepare your resume, it is very important to understand the main duties and responsibilities. Okay, so here it is saying working knowledge on PPC, ad networks, SMM, and SEO. So let us see if we have that in our course. So there is SEO, there is Google Ads, that is nothing but PPC, there is SMM. Okay, so like this, we have to first of all do some market research about jobs and some roles and responsibilities before blindly just learning something and then not getting any job or not being able to generate any income for yourself. So digital marketing executive is a next level thing. You can go to Naukri and search for further jobs in that. Then there comes e-commerce specialist. Now, since most of the retail segment people are not going out that much like before, small companies also have started selling their products online. Like I have got example of an organic store also. Even vegetables they are selling online. So slowly the market is evolving into a online platform. So that is what inference we can draw. That means that is the result we can understand that how the market and the trends are moving. Reliance has become a very Reliance was not that active on the online space. Now it is very active. So they are selling their products on online. Before also Reliance Digital was there, but Reliance Digital retail segment was more popular because we could go and see the mobile phones and laptops in live and purchase. But now people, due to the situations, their e-commerce is they have invested a lot of money in e-commerce. So it's a good idea to learn e-commerce also, so that you will have job opportunities there. Then coming to social media marketing, social media means how different it is from traditional media. Means social media, we also have normal people also have a opportunity or a chance to voice out their opinion. In the sense, generally TV and radio and all that, it's a one way kind of advertising. They will be showing us some ads and we cannot respond. But in Twitter and Facebook, we can actually respond to our followers. In the sense, if you're a fan of Prabhas, Amitabh Bachchan, you can send a tweet. Maybe he will look at it, maybe he might not look at it, but it's a two-way communication platform. Okay, so you can go to Naukri and Monster or Indeed and find all these job opportunities. And my suggestion is to prepare your resume in such a way that the roles and responsibilities are met. So apart from jobs, you can also earn affiliate. You can do affiliate marketing and earn some money out of it. Affiliate marketing means techniques of using the techniques of digital marketing to promote others products. Like say there is Amazon will give you an Amazon associate account. So when you go to the Amazon associate account and sign in, you will be given links of products which you can sell on your website. Say this is the Amazon dashboard. You will be given a lot of products. You can see the products. See, if I want to sell this on my, say there is a pen drive. Okay, so SanDisk pen drive is here. Okay, so if you want to say sell this on your website, so you go to your website, get this link of the SanDisk, and if people will purchase from your website, then you will be paid some commission. They have got some rules about commission and all that. So you will be doing that. So here the link will be there. You need to copy and paste it in your website to get some clicks out of that. And then Amazon will identify that it's an affiliate link, and then definitely it will come and your bank account details, everything will be there here in Amazon, and then you will be paid by Amazon. So it is not just purchasing by Amazon. This is one platform I have created for students to actually work on live platform. So this is a platform I have registered. I have done the domain registration and taken the hosting, and I have designed a small e-commerce website where I'll be showing in practical how to execute things, because digital marketing is more of a practical thing rather than a theoretical aspect. So now if I want to say put the Amazon link somewhere here, uh, I can also add videos, I can also add images, I can also add a lot of things. Just by without coding I can do all these things actually. So before it was a lot of coding written in big pages and all that. But now there are some content management systems like WordPress and all that, where you can easily design a website. So we are in the topic of affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you can bring in copy links here, and then if somebody comes and clicks on your link, definitely your Amazon product will be visible here. See, you can see the Amazon product. Can you see everybody? Can I get some response from you? Somebody? Sheikh, Shankar, Sachin, Rahul, Amit. You guys can hear me, right? Clearly? Okay, so you're able to understand, right? So I have brought an Amazon thing and put it on my website so that if I update it, somebody will come and purchase this, then I will get some commission. Okay, so like this we can generate some affiliate income with Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa. There is a store called Nykaa also. There is Shadi.com. There are so many people who give away affiliate links. Okay, and if you can get your friend circle or also referral marketing or any other methodology, and if you can try and make them purchase it, see, they will anyway purchase from Amazon. If you can convince, if they buy from your website, you can share the margin also. So certain things can be done to uh, generate revenue, in the sense create some income. And apart from these two, there is something called as a freelancer mode, where there are some websites where people will come and upload some jobs. There is upload some jobs like web designing. Here, see, find professionals or find jobs. If you are good at website designing or WordPress, if you search here, people are looking all over the world. They are looking for people who are who have some expertise in digital marketing. So here there is a $700 thing. Our WordPress website needs a plugin, something like this. If you search for jobs in Google Ads, uh, they require a Google Ads, social media marketing, which we will be discussing, Facebook and Instagram uh, expert. So Facebook and Instagram here. Facebook is here. So we will be discussing how to create a Facebook Business Manager post page and all that. Right. So if you pick up the skill, the opportunities are huge. Definitely, I can say that at least now, in this present scenario, definitely you will end up somewhere with an opportunity to generate some kind of a monthly income. And if you make this as a career, slowly you can pick up a lot of knowledge, move into the advanced modules like marketing automation and all that, and then achieve this skill and definitely make a good career out of it. So coming to digital marketing, I will just tell you the overview and what you are going to learn in the training. So in the training, I'll be teaching about how to register a domain and how to take a hosting plan. There are some websites like HostGator, and you must have heard about GoDaddy also. GoDaddy is very popular. Dhoni's image will be there. You must have heard about it. So Dhoni is retired, but now I think he's becoming more popular through this brand and all that. He's been associated with this brand for quite some time. So here you can register a domain, take a hosting plan. There is also something called as a website builder, which you can use to build your website. But we will be discussing about hi Ramkoti. We are discussing about domain registration, how to create a WordPress website. Okay, so you can go for GoDaddy, or there is one more thing called as HostGator. I prefer this because they have got 24 by 7 support. All my domains of most of my students and mine are here only. I have registered them. Let me just show you. So if you can see, we are logging into a platform called HostGator, which provides domain names and hosting. Here, if you see list of my orders, these are all my websites of mine and my students and my clients and all that registered on different dates and on different platforms, right? So there is one more thing which is becoming popular, that is Namecheap. Namecheap, people are telling me that we can get things for very less. .com is for 655 and hosting also we can get. So you can also check all these platforms. So first thing is we will be designing a website in WordPress. That is the first thing I'll be teaching. In that, how to register a domain and hosting, and how to design and develop a. We will be looking at three types of websites. Actually, there are two types of websites. One is static website and one is dynamic. In static website, it's a company website. It has got home, about us, contact us, and all that. But in a dynamic website like e-commerce, you can actually yeah, I will be clearing all the doubts in the end. I am looking at the doubts. I'll be clearing the doubts in the end. So uh, we will be looking at hosting platforms and domain platforms, which is the best one to register our domain and all that. So we will be developing one e-commerce, one static website, and one blog, which will be our landing page actually. It is called landing page. Wherever you give your link in Google Ads or wherever, if people will come and click, they have to come somewhere, right? Like it is your shop. So your website will be your online presence shop. Okay. So there we will be putting a contact form and other plugins also, like WhatsApp, chat, and all that. There, if people click on that chat icon, they will come to your WhatsApp. So let me just show you that in digitalsrinivas.net only. I have integrated WhatsApp on the top right side. If you see, can you see this WhatsApp? If they click here, can you see this icon on the right side? So this is WhatsApp, and this here is a chat. Got any questions? And a chat. So we will be looking at certain things of this sort. Uh, okay. So we will be designing one e-commerce website, one blog, and one static website. We will capture the leads through email marketing. We will do something called as Google verification. We have to tell Google that this is our website, this is registered on our name, and there is a tool called Google Search Console, where we will be seeing which rank we are at, and how much traffic is coming to our website, how much of organic traffic is coming to our website. There is Google Analytics also to look for that data, who are coming from social media marketing, or from Facebook, who is coming from organic search, who is coming Google search, and all that. There will be advanced topics like robot and sitemap, which will be put in the website after once it is developed. So these are the concepts related to website and monitoring the traffic. Once we create our website, we will be performing something called as a SEO. SEO means optimizing your website in such a way that Google, it will rank top on Google. So whenever you go to Google, and type for something, say Java training in Delhi. So you will be seeing some local results, you will be seeing some organic results, and you will also be looking at some ads here. If you can see, this is an ad. Okay. So this for this ads to come, people have Simply Learn has actually paid Google some money, and then their ads are showing on top. And how come this person's ad is showing on top rather than this? Is there is something called bidding and cost per click, and also quality score. We will be looking into those things when we look at Google ads. Okay. So optimizing your website in such a way that it comes on top rank of Google. First creating a website, then making it come on top of the Google will be the second. This one we will be looking at how to get backlinks in off pages here also. Now coming to YouTube ads, when we go to YouTube, we will look at some ads which are skippable and non-skippable. So initially, if it's a very popular video, say this is 2 million likes, then see this is an ad. Just now we have visited GoDaddy, right? So GoDaddy has seen that I have visited GoDaddy, and in my browser that cookie is integrated, and immediately when I'm looking for something else, they're showing Vijay Sethupath's in trailer. They're showing SSL certificate and their ad. Okay. So how to create this ads, I will be showing you how much it will cost, and how to create this video also we will be discussing. Clear? Then we will look at how to create text ads also, like we have seen Simply Learn ad on the Google search page, and display ads which will be shown on other websites, and Google AdSense account also we can create and generate revenue from that. Shopping ads, generally Amazon and Flipkart. If you want to buy Nike shoes, then these are shopping ads. Okay. So directly there will be a photo, there will be a description, there will be price, and there will be a link from where you can buy it. Mostly Amazon, Flipkart, Agio, these are all popular brands who will outrank others. See, direct Woodland showroom is also there. Woodland website is also there. Okay. So everybody is nowadays COVID regulated aspects they are putting. So these are shopping ads which we'll be looking in detail when we look at Google ads. Then comes the most trending aspect right now, which is Facebook and Insta. 30 crores to 35 active users are there on Facebook and Insta. So everybody is holding their mobile phone, following somebody, liking somebody's pics, uploading videos, and all that. So Facebook is a very good platform, effective platform to create ads and show people some ads. For that, we need to create something called as a Facebook Ad Manager account, which Facebook will give us for free. And in that Ad Manager account, we have to create ads. We have to do some funding, and we can create some ads, and those ads will be shown on the news feed. So I've created some ads. I'll be sharing you the data of the ads and how the ads will look, and how best you can create ads. This is call only a campaign, that is we required only phone calls. So here if I go and see the preview of the ad, this is the preview of the ad. Okay, so VCube learn digital marketing training on live projects, SEO and all that. Call now. So it's a call only ad. So Facebook ads are very effective. Facebook ads will be shown in the news feed. So we'll be creating good ads to catch the eyes of a lot of customers. And Facebook interface has changed. If you can see, it is good that now if you learn, you have an advantage of this new interface. You can directly learn this new interface. There is a dark mode and there is a light mode as well. And you can see here there will be some sponsored things. These are called ads in Facebook. So we will be looking in depth with Facebook about says Facebook ads also, which is very important. In fact, which is the most important thing to immediately generate leads for your customers or for yourself, or if you want to promote something. Then Twitter, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional network. Twitter is about for politicians, heroes, and all that. But we will also use Twitter to communicate with them and to be in trending. Twitter is something about trending, trends, followers, uh, your fans, celebrities, what they're doing, what videos they have posted. If Chiranjeevi's birthday is there yesterday, what they're doing, and all that. Acharya's movie release and all that. So, what is the latest thing that is happening? Everything will be there in Twitter. We will look at the interface. We will look at how to create Twitter ads and all that. Coming to LinkedIn, it is totally professional network. It is for people looking for jobs and people who are professional. Facebook is more of Facebook is more of a social, like friends chatting, for searching for your old friends and all that. LinkedIn is more of professional, telling that your where you work and what you do, and also you can like in Twitter you can contact even uh, say the big celebrities. In LinkedIn you can contact the CEOs and CFOs of the companies. Finally, coming to email marketing, we will be building a list, and then we will send emails through some tools called MailChimp and Aweber and GetResponse. There are so many tools. There is Woodpecker. There are so many tools which can be used to create email marketing. So you can send 1 lakh emails. 1 second, I have got a doubt here. So if we need to post the ads on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and all, do we need to pay something to these platforms? Yes, that is the revenue model of these platforms. That is what these platforms initially they have given us for free to post something, but now for that post to move to more followers, we have to pay them. It is not very high in Facebook. 1 second, let me see who's Sachin has asked this. Hi Sachin, yeah. So we have to pay for the ads. Free stuff is also there. I will be showing you the free stuff. Free stuff is creating groups, events. Through that also you can generate some leads and push some in the sense generate leads and do some social media optimization. Okay, so to answer your question, these are paid platforms only. They were free before, but now you must have seen, even if the page is liked by so many people, the post does not go to so many. I will just show you an example. Before, the post used to travel to a lot of people, all the people in your friends list, but now it hardly goes to 10 to 15 or 30% max. So let me switch. So this is the old Facebook which we know. So here there is one thing called have a client called Medicover. So if you see here, the community is very huge. This page people follow, a lot of people follow. Almost 5,13,000 follow this. People follow this. People like this. But when the actual posts are put, you can see only 11 likes are there. Okay, so the reach though is looking so much, it is not actually going. So you have to pay them to actually go further or reach people. So this is basically what I'll be teaching in the entire training process. Here you will be able to create a website and perform all the digital marketing techniques and also find results. Finally, we will look at Google Analytics, wherein we will monitor all these techniques, see how the traffic is coming, from where it is coming, from which device it is coming, from which location it is coming, everything, and how better to perform our ads and all that. So this is all about digital marketing. It's a good platform. Anybody can learn it. There is no coding and all that required. It is just that you require a lot of practice, and you need to spend at least 2 hours per day sitting on your laptop and follow the directions which I give you. Okay. So that is the session, guys. I am ready for doubts now. Please feel free to ask any kind of doubts. I am ready to answer them because I am here to help you out in your career. So Sachin is asking about how are these Aweb, like Aweber or Aweb solutions. So Aweber is actually a email marketing platform and also CRM and all that. You can create a lot of things like landing pages and all that. But these are hosting companies. They are register domain registers and hosting. They will give you server space in their servers, and then they will charge something from us. So please go ahead with your doubts. If you have any questions, you can either type in the comment box or you can ask me directly. No doubts. Sachin, Shankar, Ram Koti, Rahul, Amit. So looks like I am pretty clear with the subject. How can we create advertisement on our own? Yes, there is a platform called Google Ads. In Google Ads, you can create any number of campaigns and any number of ads. I will show you. This is the Google interface. Here you will be creating Google Ads. Duration of the course is for 1 month, 5 days per week. All these other details will be given by the online team. We have an online team here. I will be just telling you about the technical aspects. They will be talking to you about other things. So see here, there are campaigns. This is the Google Ads platform. We can create search, display, video campaigns, and smart campaigns like ads you see. So digital marketing training on live projects. Uh, so you can create such ads. Somebody asked me whether you can create or not. You can create. That is what I am going to be teaching. That is what you are going to be learning. And you, at the end of the course, you will be able to create your own Google Ads and monitor their performance. So guys, you can ask me in any language, Hindi, Telugu or English, anything is fine. Don't feel shy. Make a move in your career right now, because it is very important in these times to at least start doing something, so that you may not be successful immediately, but down the line, if you practice, you will definitely maybe you won't reach top one. Everybody don't aim for top one. At least you will be able to make some monthly income, and we never know, if your something goes viral and your videos pick up some, you create something very nice, it goes viral, you can make a lot of money. I'll be teaching you how to create a blog, how to create YouTube videos, how will we get revenue out of it? Yes, by doing affiliate marketing. I have shown you. Go to blogs, or okay, first let me answer this question. How do we make revenue? Go to websites like amazon.com and become their associate. In the sense, if you go to amazon.com, down there will be a link called affiliate, sell on Amazon or become an affiliate. See, become an affiliate. If you click become an affiliate, it will give you a portal called associates.amazon.com. Okay, so this is the portal. Here, once you come, you can pick up their products and put them in your WhatsApp or YouTube or your website anywhere, and then you can generate income. Amazon will pay you commission. Okay, so that is how you will generate revenue. I got another doubt. What is booming now? Blogs or YouTube channel? See, before initially blogs used to be very high. Now also blogs are there. People read a lot of stuff, but definitely people are more interested in looking at videos. In videos, they can spend a lot of time looking at videos. So, if you ask me what is trending, I will say videos are trending because see the millions and millions of views. If you can create something of this sort, there is something called as YouTube monetization. If you create a YouTube channel and you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views, watch hours, you will get money from YouTube. Okay, so don't worry about what is trending. Digital marketing in a whole is trending. uh, YouTube will also fetch you money. Blogging will also get you money. Okay, Sachin. So, guys, before I close, one last call for any further doubts, any basic doubts. Please ask me anything you require. Please ask me, because once we can create a organic store like this. We can do everything of this sorts. So that is the session for today. I think we can close because there are no further doubts. I don't see any. Okay, sir, Sachin, no problem. Thanks. You're welcome. Um, okay, online team, I am closing the session now. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Bye. Take care.